Leave the city, let the noise fade out. Trade the chaos for a bird's soft sound. Hands in the soil, heart finally still. Life comes back to its natural will. Morning dew on leaves, no stress, no race. Your soul can finally breathe in grace. Together you plant, together you grow, finding dreams where wild winds blow. No lies, no rush, no empty shine, just love and peace, your life aligned. When hearts are full and the earth provides, life is counted in warmer tides. Return